Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Viral Ninja. In order to do so, head over to viralninja.io. What's it all about? Well, you can empower your e-commerce business with AI integrated strategic insights, maximize your business potential with high trending products, and you can click here to get started. Let's go ahead and just take a look here at the homepage, and here we can see our dashboard. And we've got, looks like some product tracking here. More than 11,000 successful Invest Now users worldwide, the complete platform to power your investments. Discover the best products for your store. Product Database offers a comprehensive collection of top-rated products to boost your sales and keep your inventory fresh. Access thousands of high-quality products across various categories. Stay ahead with the latest trends and popular items added regularly. Get complete product descriptions, specifications, and high-resolution images. Analyze search trends over time for strategic insights. Our tool provides in-depth analysis of search volume over time, helping you identify trends and make data-driven decisions to stay ahead in the e-commerce market. You can see here a variety of testimonials. Here is an FAQ we can take a look at. You can ask help for more, and we can subscribe to the newsletter as well. But let's go ahead and go back up here to the start. Let's click on Get Started. And so if you want to proceed, then you're going to have to go ahead and create an account, and then you can go from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.